And your name, Time Magazine's Hero for the Planet, Defender of the Environment. Buddy, God bless you. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much for joining us. I don't know how many books you've cranked out in the last year, but this is the latest one in one paragraph. And I've shared this one paragraph, okay, with a number of people that succincts my entire frustration over the entire freaking year. It was just like a cathartic explosion. Thank you.
It is truth. And we need to understand what's happening to us. And there was a generation of Americans in 1776 that said we would rather be dead than not have these rights. And they gave us the gift of that piece of paper with all those rights on them. And in 20 months, we lost all of those rights. And, we need to gain them back.
Your dad, your uncle, you were in the middle of this stuff. Okay, to get the rights for civil rights back, okay, back in the 60s and 70s. Well, you got any examples, something that we could do now?
Everybody should be doing 3 acts of civil disobedience a day. Get the book, give it to your friends, relatives, the people who don't believe you, the people, Christmas presents, the people who you want to convince that you're not crazy. Get them copies of the book.
So you guys, it's time. Civil acts of disobedience. Courage up. We're all in this together.
Propaganda is now the only thing that's allowed, and propaganda works because people hear the same message 4 or 5 times, even if they know it's wrong. They begin to, from repetition, they begin to believe it. And what we need is for people to hear an alternative message several times a day. And that book is, I'd say, the spear tip of the battle to make the orthodoxy crumble.